Hello. As I said in my last video, I'm on holiday. And look at these surroundings, aren't they beautiful? The campsite's empty now, but when we arrived, it was pretty busy. But now school started, I've pretty much got the whole place to myself. This is my tent, and there's Millie. Handy tip I learnt this camping holiday: if your tent has storm straps, twist them. It stops them vibrating in the wind and making it sound like there's a motorcycle coming past. Anyway, this is the rest of the tent. I shan't show you inside because it is a complete mess. Excuse the washing up there. I'll take you for the briefest of walks around the campsite because this place is massive. We're on the tent pitch site and I'm now heading towards the touring site, which is a lot bigger than where we are. I've also got Millie in tow, so hence the little movements in the camera because I'm checking on what she's up to. And we get a good view of the bins too because of her. So here's the touring pitch. This is for those who are lucky enough to own a motorhome or an extra large tent. There's some lovely woodlands surrounding this park. Sorry, just had to check what Millie was up to there. So yes, Mills and I walked down here yesterday afternoon and we saw 2 roe deer, and the walk is just lovely. And if you carry on down that way, it takes you to Overstrand. I've been so lucky with the weather. It's been fabulous and not too hot, but just lovely and sunny. Right, I'm heading back to the tent. The barbecue is on, the burgers are prepped, and so are the hot dogs, I hope. I'm hungry. I shall see you all again very soon, and thank you for watching. It's a very short video, but I just wanted to share where I am, and for a change, I'm not at London Bridge. I'll see you all again soon. You all take care. Bye for now.